Hey guys, Caesar here with Easy DIY Tech. I'm going to show you how to remove the air filter housing off of an E46, BMW E46 chassis. This chassis is for the 3 Series from 2000 to 2006. Doesn't matter if you have coupe, sedan, or wagon. It should all be the same, no matter what engine you have. So this is our air filter housing right here. We're going to disconnect our mass airflow sensor. The mass airflow sensor is attached to the air filter housing here with 2 clips. You don't want to take those clips off here if you're going to replace the mass airflow sensor. You actually just want to remove the hose clamp that's attached to it. It is much easier to move it out of the way than the actual mass airflow sensor. And you'll just slide this guy back just ever so slightly. We'll finish sliding it out with the airbox. You don't want to move this boot here too much. Sometimes they're very brittle and they can crack down near the bottom and cause a vacuum leak. There are 2 bolts that hold the air filter housing, 2 10mm bolts right here. Just gonna take those out, and then you can either, this one's already cracked here. On yours it may or may not be cracked. This one actually cracks very often, but if it's not cracked and you don't want to risk cracking it because they do get very brittle, we're going to remove this front section right here, this air dam, because you can take it off by popping it out of the air filter housing here and then just sliding it off out of the way so you can remove the air filter housing. But like I said, it makes it very, you can make it very possible that you can crack this guy. So to remove this front dam here, we're going to just pop these clips out. You're going to pull on their head with a plier, just like so. They just pop out. This guy just came off, but you can just pull this out. After you got those off, then you can slide the air dam out of the way. This is the easier section to pull it out of. You can just, if this guy wasn't broken, I mean, you'd see it's still attached here. Though we would just pry this off right there, like so, and leave it attached while removing the air dam. And then the air filter box, we would pull him up a little bit because he has bushings underneath that hold it in its place, and then you slide it off the air boot there, and you just remove it.